Hello, let me show you all sound settings that you can find on POCO C75. So you can find them just right here in this system settings. And as you can see, first of all, we are able to adjust volume level of media, ringtone and alarm. Below, you can change ringtone. And also we can set custom ringtone by selecting local files. And it actually looks the same for the calendar sound, for other notification sound. Right here we can find silent mode. Below we can find do not disturb mode that we can actually customize with a lot of settings right here. When you scroll down, we can find some other vibration settings. In this place we can find some sound effects, like for example the Xiaomi sound, graphic equalizer, headphone remote button, and we can assign button when we connect headphones. In additional settings, we can find some control notification sounds. We can adjust media sound in multiple apps. We get multiple audio sources and some other system sounds.